Hi, I am Dr. Deidre Guyton. I am Director of Alumni Affairs and the Executive Director for the Bluefield State University Foundation. The President's Emerging Scholars, I envisioned a STEM Academy. A couple of years ago, a consortium of HBCU advancement officers got together and we decided to write a grant for each university that was involved in it.
Hi, I'm Faith Adeboye Bradley, and I'm actually from Atlanta, Georgia. Today we're writing stories, and the teacher actually had us add on literary devices to our stories, and before we got to that point, I admit my story was very bland, it was very creative, but once we added the literary devices, I think it added a much more creative and unique style to the story, and so that was something that I learned being here today.
I'm Dr. Angela Lambert. I'm the Dean of our College of Health Science here at Bluefield State University. My background is in radiography, so we are teaching the kids this week about sonography and radiography and the importance of those fields in medicine. This is a STEM academy, so our area falls under the science umbrella. They've learned about sound waves and x-rays and the electromagnetic spectrum, how that affects our body and what's harmful rays, and just a general overall physics behind both of those modalities for imaging sciences.
I'm Jacob Clarkson. I'm the laboratory specialist here at Bluefield State. Today we're building some of these robot dog kits.
They're now working, they've got the dogs built, the robotic dogs, and now they're working on building a dance routine. So we're going to do a dance routine like we did with Astro, our bigger dog. So now we're taking the little dogs and we're learning the aspects of coding. We press one button and he does this nice whole dance routine. Well, what that is a whole bunch of little steps saying you got to move the leg, you got to shift your weight over here. You have to do all these things. And then what people usually don't get to see is all the work behind the back end that does all that stuff with the one button press. So now what we're doing is we're using Scratch here and we're pulling over the code to do all this stuff to build our dance routines for each of the dogs.
Some people may not look at healthcare as being in the STEM program, but it is a medical science program. And it is a way to introduce students not only to sonogram, radiology, and hopefully nursing in the future, but we're also doing engineering and computer science. And to see those students putting together a robotics dog, programming it to do coding, doing whatever they want it to do at that point, it's exciting, and they understand that this is something that they can do. And that's very important to me.